Y'all with me? Right to left, and then we add the crunches. Y'all wanna sweat, yes or yes? 4, 3, tap that step. Let's go. Right to left. Let's go. All right, you know we gotta sweat for about 4 minutes. Just tap that step, that's all you gotta do. All right, we crunch it down in 3, 2, crunch it down. Knees up, you can use those arms to swing them over the right. Yo, we're extreme, baby, it's all the way. That's it, that's all we know. Extreme all the way. We stand behind the X. You gotta get those knees up. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. You got it. 5. Let's go. 4. Now we're gonna do 7 knees on the right in 3, 2. Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch it up. Good job. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Back to those crunches. Crunch them down. All right. How was that first round? All right. You can do this. The luxury is you can do this with or without a step. If you got a step at home, use that step. If you don't got a step, you can still do it. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me 7 right knees. 7, 6, 5,